Guys, we're back. We're out on the water. We've got some nice weather today. We're out here on our own today, but that's okay. We're gonna try to get some crappies, maybe some bluegill, get ourselves on the scoreboard today for this competition between Hayden and I for the year, and try to just gain an early lead in the season in this fishing competition. So stay tuned. Started out of the wind, and we're starting with one of those new lures that I got from Stem Lures, and we've got some fish on the screen. Looks like let's get at it. Oh man, that was a fish. Oh man, missed one there. I was just on the phone with my wife and I got a fish on. We got a pike. It's a small guy, but got a fish on here. Oh yeah, first fish of the season. Whoa, there's a hole in this net. Whew. First fish of the season, guys. First fish of the season. Okay, first fish. We're gonna get a measurement on him, because this is gonna put us ahead in the fishing competition. Whoops, go the other way. Okay, oh, come on. Okay, so we've got an overall length of 19 inches. Awesome. We're gonna get this guy back because catch and release. Well, I think that's going to wrap this one up. We didn't really catch many fish today. We only caught one, and I think we missed one other one. It might have been that same pike that we did end up catching. But beautiful night on the lake. It's a little cold, but first time out, you can bet you that I'm going to be out as soon as I possibly can, as soon as the ice is off. Look forward to seeing you next time, and stay tuned for more stuff from Reel Men Fish.